Never, ever boost a post on Facebook if you are going to do paid marketing. That's what I tell my clients all the time. But if you really have to boost and you don't have an understanding of the ads manager or just on the run and you want to do something quick, then at least boost the correct way. My name is Nico Smith from Big Domino Marketing, and today I'm going to tell you or show you basically how to boost a post on Facebook. If you are going to do it, just how to do it correctly without wasting money. If you want to get some more future training from us, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the videos that we will be releasing on a weekly basis going forward. So let's get into it. I'm going to shoot over to my laptop and I'll show you guys exactly how to boost a post properly on Facebook.
Okay, let's jump into the platform where you would usually boost your posts from inside Facebook. That's what the majority of people do. So you either will do it on your phone or you will do it from your desktop. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you how to boost properly on your desktop. So when most people have their own Facebook pages, your business pages, you'll scroll down your news feed as you put some content on your page, and then you've got the ability to boost a post. Now, Facebook recently made some changes which made the boosting of posts a little bit better on the platform, where you can choose different objectives when you boost your post. So your objectives for video and for an image post will be different. So just to show you quickly, if I click boost post here, which is obviously the easiest way to do it, it will give us objectives of you want people to watch your video, you want people to buy from you or track sales, or you want people to connect with you on Facebook's chat, or if you have WhatsApp installed, on WhatsApp's business chat. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel this and then I'll go to this one and I'll click boost on the image ad, and you'll see you'll have send people to the website instead of watching the video, and then again the buy or track sales, and then this is the old Facebook boost that we used to have, which was page post engagement. This is only people that like or share or comment on your post, which was a disaster basically, unless you want to build some social proof around one post. Conversions didn't really give us much for the last probably year or so. And then again, also you've got the chat option. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do the image one, because the difference between the image and video is literally just on the image one, you've got two additional objectives: link clicks, where the other one had video views, and this one's got engagement, where the other one didn't have that at all because it's a video view. Okay, now if you look at this platform, it's quite easy to boost the post from here. Facebook just wants you to click on here and just click as little buttons as possible, put in your budget and click boost, because they just want you to see something is happening and people are engaging with your post, even though you will never ever get conversions on your post that you're boosting. So technically you're wasting money. So what we want to do from our side is show you how to do it so that you don't waste any money. Right, first things first, if you're going to be boosting a post, probably if you're going to be bidding for buying or sales, you need to be able to track it. So if you're going to be going for this objective here, do not use the boost post. Go into your Facebook Business Manager and do it there. You've got to have your pixels installed on your page, otherwise Facebook cannot track it and you'll be wasting your money if it is not set up properly. So either go for website or link clicks, where you want people to click on here and go to where you want to send them, or you want to connect with people with Messenger chat, which is Facebook's Messenger chat, or with, if you've got your WhatsApp business linked, which I might do a training on later, to let people to WhatsApp your business number. Okay, the 1 year for page post engagement, I don't really advise this, because the only thing that's going to happen is your post will look great with all these likes and things happening, but it's not people that convert. It's just people that like. It's like the tire kickers that buy cars. They just click like, and they don't really do anything. You want people to go to a website, or you want people to connect with you. Those are the two most important ones when you are going to boost a post. Now let's go a little bit further down. I'm just going to choose link clicks for now. And then on your call to action button, learn more is probably the best if you're going to send people to a blog or to a website or something like that. we are not in special category unless you are in the loan business or employment business or offering credit business. Then you have to tick on the special category and then just choose which one it is that you're situated in. Then this is the most important part of the boost that people don't realize. If you're just going to go click boost and go, Facebook's going to show your post to everybody, and it's people that are probably not interested in what you have to offer. So it's important for you to have an audience here that you target that is specific to the type of people that you want to target. Now, you can click that. If you say people, you choose through targeting. Look at what's happened here. So Facebook has just gone and chosen 18 million people, 18 to 65, men and women, the whole of South Africa. If I boost this, I'll get a lot of clicks, but probably not a lot of targeted people. So what I would do in my case, if it's something about digital marketing, I'll probably, let's say I only want to target people in the Gauteng area, not the whole of Johannesburg, and I want to target people that are interested in digital marketing. It's got digital marketing, and when I put the first one in there, you can click on suggestions and Facebook will give you a few others. So I'm going to say I want people to online marketing, social media marketing, that online marketing. Okay. So now we've got 1.1 million people. So that's quite a bit of people in Johannesburg only if you think about it. I don't want to target everybody. So what I want to do is I want to narrow this audience. I say, right, I want people obviously interested in that, but maybe I also want people that are Facebook page admins. So let's have a look there. I want people that are Facebook page admins also. Now we're down to 160,000 people. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to be targeting male and female. And let's say I only want to target people between the ages of 25 and 45 in the Gauteng area that are interested in digital marketing, online marketing, all those type of things, and are also Facebook page admins. So it's 91,000 people. Then I would save that audience, and that is now a lot more targeted than Facebook just showing this ad to everybody in South Africa. This is the most important part if you are going to use the boost button, choose the right audience. Okay, I'm just going to go out of here. Other nice thing is that you can do, there's obviously other ways or other things you can choose as well. You can choose all the people that have liked your page. So if you've got very good likes on your page, this is valuable to do. Or this is for local businesses, very, very important. People in your local area. So you can literally go in here and choose people in a radius of 5 miles around your business. And this is obviously based on the address that you have put in for your business on your Facebook page. Very, very helpful to use. Then if you have got audiences in your ads manager, you can choose your custom audiences. Also, for those of you that don't know what custom audiences are, don't worry about it. It's basically when I created this audience here, choose through targeting, it's just a bunch of audiences like that that's already saved in someone's ads manager. All right. And then there's some other specific audiences that I've saved over time that you won't have here. But for local businesses, this is probably going to be the most important one for you. Make sure that you've got your correct address for your business there. And just boost it with people for people in the local area. Or if you're more than just a local area type of business, choose the people based on your demographic. There are loads of interests you can target in here, and make sure to once you've put in an interest, make sure to narrow your audience also to make sure that you just don't target everybody. You want to target probably if you're going to do Gauteng only, probably in the region of about 100 to 150,000 people. Then you've got quite a targeted type of audience. But again, it all depends on your business. Okay. Automatic placements. In the boost, you can't take off specific Facebook placements, but you can choose if you want to take Messenger and Instagram off. In this case, if you're going to do link clicks, you can just leave it on. Here you will put the duration, so how long do you want your ads to run. You can either say 7 days, or you can have an end date here, and that will change automatically. This will be your total budget for the complete period. There is a minimum of spend per day. Let's have a look. You have to have a minimum budget, in this case probably about 10 Rand 50. It usually works to about $1 a day. And then also, if I'm going to put in there, I want to spend 500 Rand for 5 days. Or 505 days, Facebook will give you an estimated reach per day. So that's not a conversion, it's how many people they will reach. And it will tell you will spend 100 Rand per day for 5 days. Make sure that your Facebook pixel is switched on. If you don't have a Facebook pixel yet, we've got loads of training already on our blog on creating your Facebook pixel. Then what you'll see is, because most international companies now have to bill VAT for South African businesses as well. You would have put your budget for 500 Rand, but they will bill you an additional 75 Rand for VAT. Then you choose your ad account if you've got more than one, and it will show your payment method at the bottom. Now that is how you boost properly. You don't just click the boost button and you go, okay. You make sure that you've got the right objective, and I would always suggest link clicks or get people to talk to you via chat. Remember, your ad has to talk to your call to action as well. In this case, I would go link clicks because I want people to go somewhere. If I've got an ad saying something like message us for our latest prices, then I would use the messenger ad and then change, or messenger call to or objective, and then put a send message call to action button at the bottom. Okay, but still the two most important things: choose your correct objective. PPE you are only going to use if you want to build some engagement around your post. Don't expect any conversions from that. Okay, and you've got to make sure that your audience is correct. And that's obviously, there'll be some testing on this, but don't just boost to everybody in South Africa. You'll get loads of clicks and loads of messages, but it will not be people that are willing to spend money with you. Okay, and that is basically it. If there's any other questions on how this works, feel free to pop a message down the bottom in our comments section. Feel free to share this, subscribe to our channel, put on the notifications, then you'll see every time that we are uploading a video on YouTube. Have a fantastic